M-Door R Series industrial computer, equipped with Rockchip general-purpose ARM architecture processor, combined with Android 11 operating system. The series includes 3 different screen sizes, include 10.1 inches, 15.6 inches, and 21.5 inches, all of which use a pure flat 10-point capacitive touchscreen, and the water dustproof feature of the front panel reaches the level of IP65. In and out interfaces include 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 RS-232 serial ports, 1 gigabit Ethernet port, 1 HDMI port, an audio output port, a SIM and TF card slot, and a mini PCI Express slot to meet a variety of demands. The R Series fanless panel PC can be panel mounted or fixed with VISA holes, with various sizes and standard hole spacing. The whole machine reaches industrial-grade quality standards, providing an excellent computing platform for factory automation applications, running ERP software, and viewing sensor information in the production workshop.